Welcome to the Colaberry AWS DeepRacer tutorial on submitting your first model for the DeepRacer community event. As in the workshop, we trained our model for only 5 minutes. The model is still very underdeveloped to complete a lap around the race circuit. Hence, we will select one of the pre-trained models provided by AWS to run on our community race event. Note, as these models are pre-trained, they will post almost similar times, but will vary according to the reward function you choose. First, we will go to the community race URL sent to you by the race organizers. This will bring us to the race. Next, we will select Enter Race. Next, we will select one of the time trial models present in the dropdown. We can choose any one of the Prevent Zigzag, Stray on Track, or Follow Centerline. Go ahead and choose one and select Submit Model. Your model will then be submitted for the community race. Your timings will be displayed in the next 5 to 10 minutes as AWS DeepRacer simulates your model's performance on its virtual track. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you.